If you love architecture, art, and design, then you're going to love this feature-packed open concept home. This home was designed by architect Jim McGrananhan, and as you'll see, a lot of thought went into the details. Let me show you what I mean. 4,500 square feet, every inch finished to perfection.
Life is so easy. You love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Won't you bend?
All interior walls are 2x6 construction and insulation filled to make the interior space virtually soundproof and energy efficient. When you're in the game room downstairs and you have to go upstairs to get your hors d'oeuvres, well, you don't have to worry about it. You have a second kitchen down here.
I don't know. Give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Won't you bend and mold me on? Life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Won't you bend and mold me on?
If you would like to have a personal tour of this home, I'd love to show it to you. Please give me a call. My name is Debbie Black from Better Properties, North Proctor.
Pieces, yeah, I need it. Won't you bend and mold me